good morning. And I wanted to alert you that when you're doing the will of God, opposition from any direction, from any position, may just come up against you, It should not be viewed as something awkward. Hear what the book of Amos chapter 7, verse 12 says. Then Amaziah sent orders to Amos. Get out of here, you prophet. Go on back to the land of Judah and earn your living by prophesying there. Don't bother us with your prophecies here in Bethel. This is the king's sanctuary and the national place of worship. But I love Amos. Hear what he says. I'm not a professional prophet. I was never trained to be one. I'm just a shepherd and I take care of sycamore fig trees. But the Lord called me away from my flock and told me, go prophesy to my people in Israel. That's what it is about. Whatever else you're called to do, you're also called to be the servant of God. Whether you're employed by person X and they call you their employee, you may be their employee, but you're still a servant of God. And servants obey their masters. The opposition came from the priest, the guy who should be protecting the will of God. The guy who is at the head of the thing, who should be saying to Amos, go ahead and preach. Go ahead and call the people to repentance. He is saying, nah, you go back. You go and prophesy to these people and earn a living by prophesying. And Amos says, guys, I don't know what you're talking about. I just know what God said to me. I'm asking, what did God say to you? Today, what did God say to you? And how did he manifest that so that you know it's God, it's urgent, if not immediate, and it's purposeful, there's an intention that God had when he spoke it to you or when he gave instructions to you. Why not just go there and do it? Expect the opposition to come from any domain. Let the opposition come. Let them know that you're just a servant. Let it come from high places. You're just a lowly servant. Jesus said to his disciples, I wash your feet. Yes, you call me Lord and Master and I wash your feet. Go do the same. Your position is still servant. And servants do what their masters command. I want to share just one little thing again with you before you go this morning. David once said to his mighty men, just reclining one day, and he said, oh, I could drink water from the pool by one of the cities. And they fought through the opposing army, got water from that well, and brought it back to David. Sometimes the master asks general questions. We hear it and make it personal. Isaiah heard, who will go for us and who will we send? He took it personal. You say, oh my gosh, he didn't say it to me individual. I heard it in church. He probably was speaking. No, it may have been spoken general. But you know it was for you, personal. Why not do it today? You're the servant. He's the master. He's calling you out of where you are, from your shepherding job to now be a spokesperson, from being a dresser of fig trees to being a prophet. He never stopped saying, I'm a shepherd. He never said I was a prophet of high regard. But Amos has a book in the Bible. Yeah. A dresser of fig trees spoke to a nation and saw what he said come to pass. That's you this morning. Go see. Go do. In fact, go be the servant God intended for you to be. God bless.